Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, my lady. When you have AIDS, them a work on you. You just have to take your medicine. Shensea, why the doctor never put the breast on your chest? Shensea, not some dirty batty man who full up of years and now walk a blood clot inoculate the blood clot country and not take how much ramen every day and then not take on the medicine. Shensea, one back in the day, a 3 pill a day them there get the batty man them. Get any people, a 3 pill a day them there get people and it gone down to 1 now and then afraid to take the 1. When you come out in a good era, take the 1 pill and go take your and go wait name there and clean up your body. Go clean up your blood clot body. Why you never go do the surgery, Shensea? Come make a blood clot reason. Half dead, walking dead madman. Walking dead madman. Madman with him T so below blood clot the average. Go find some T cells. Shensea, you live in a you remember say you live in a shelter. I want shelter at the shelter. What the people what is something them what the people them will come through the border them? You remember I said when blood clot them come through the border, Joe Biden ship them to your apartment. Shensea, remember say shelter you a blood clot run, but you have man. Which man you have, Shensea? You talk about man, you don't have no man, you have a lady, and the lady have her man them in the house with blood clot. You, Shensea, what you talk about? Shensea, sheng shit up. Sheng shit blood clot up. What you talk about, lady? Mr. Man? Lady boy? Mr. D? What you talk about? Which man you talk about? You live in a house with your mate them. Shensea, you get up for your mate. You get up. Shensea, for sure you are a wicked bossy man. You get up and you cook Pepsi chicken every day and you wouldn't eat none. You get up and cook Pepsi chicken every day and you wouldn't even eat none. Shensea got eat. Shensea got eat some of the food where your blood clot cook. Your body thin, your body frail. I want the toothpick them and throw me to all the toothpick them. Shensea got eat. Shensea, when you cook, eat. Stop cook for the boy them and cook for your blood clot self. Maga Shensea. Maga sheng shit up. Sheng deng. Tile it. Dirty boy. You bright out of blood clots all about looks. You're not supposed to mention looks a man. Cause them there are 2 things you not have. 2 things you not have. All your the boy still now post you up. The boy get up and post up 100 real man every day. I when him live now fuck the real man them. Him a post them. Him now post you. The boy shame. 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 Shame a kill me. Shame a kill the blood clot boy them. The boy them shame out no. Shame a kill the blood clot boy them. When the boy them tune the boy them shame. The boy them want to know how them end up with blood clot. Oh no, America so nice. All these nice blood clot people in America and them end up with shit ups like oh no. The boy them dog. The boy them shame. Shame a kill the blood clot boy them. The boy them can't even. Shensea, come up with reason. Shensea, you buy a car, you buy a man car, you can't even drive in the car. You're not even driving in the car. You have to pay Uber guard dance, you have to pay for taxi guard dance. You have to pay taxi for God blood clot dance. Shensea, you buy man car and you can't even drive in the man car. Shensea, you know shame. You know tired of shame. Dirty Shensea, shame. Crooked Shensea, shame and kill you, dirty batty boy. You know shame. Auntie batty man. You know blood clot shame. Every day, yes, Shensea, you are still the talk of White Plains Road. You are the talk and the clown and the puppy show of White Plains Road. Everybody know you as a $300 girl. Everybody know you as the $300 girl. The girl will buy man. The girl will have to buy a man to lay down in our free bed. In our free bed. Our cheap blood clot bed. The bed where them foot at them are hang off over. The bed where them foot are hang over. Your foot can't even fit on the bed. Due to all the bed small. And on a little picnic. On a little small people. Now come back to you blood clot Joshua. Which man you are talking about now Joshua? When you talk about man Joshua, come make a reason. Come and spare a blood clot so can you have to kill me. Come here bring down every mama pussy blood clot body. Fresh! Come over here so fresh. Cause your turn now. Come on, I wish boy me lay down with for Emily know about blood clot me. Emily wish boy me lay down with what come talk to you. Fresh come tell me where you tell blood clot Emily about me. Fresh come tell me where you tell Emily about blood clot me. Cause me wanna know where Emily for know about me and blood clot man. Emily wish man you know about me blood clot taking. She say how Emily wish man when me take I go sit down and have conversation with you but tell you so them eat blood clot me. Emily, Joshua come over here to come make a reason. Come over blood clot here to make a blood clot reason. Joshua wish man me and you could have take. Wish man me and you could have blood clot take. Joshua, fresh come over here to come tell me something. Joshua, fresh come tell me what you know about my body wall. And that me want blood clot no. And that me want blood clot no. Remember Emily, I put on fresh so you can go mine him. I put on fresh so you could have got blood clot mine him. Cause me never did mine undercover body man. Remember blood clot that. Me a big man, me not hide no. Me not mind no undercover Batman. Any Batman me a mind them have to walk and hold my blood clots and them have to walk and hold my hand in the street. Them have to make America know say it's me a the girl. And when them a walk and a fuck 100 girl, them have to make the world know say MysteryL is number 1. Me no want be no favorite. She say your boy favorite, me a boy number 1. Me a boy me a boy backbone. She say your favorite. You look for favorite title and your favorite title not get you nowhere. Cause you buy all car you can't drive in the car. Shame! Shame! Your blood clot. Shame not kill your drunkra. Shame not kill your drunkra. You buy car put vehicle on road in America you're not driving it. Or when you buy a taxi you run Shensea. A taxi you run the taxi service you still can't buy a bedroom set. You still can't buy a living room set. You still have the Asa appliance in the blood clot house. Shensea, you have how much boy in your house and before you beat them up and tell them for go. Shensea, you think you're gonna come beat me? You couldn't beat the boy them for paint your wall. So you think you're gonna beat me? Me say would have kill your blood clot. Me not ask Christ that. Poi. Me not ask Christ that. Me say you raise your voice anywhere me blood clot there. And one blood clot thing me I do you. Poi, your blood clot. Cause you never beat the boy them for go paint your wall. She say your wall look like a 4-year-old get tape and fling the paint on the blood clot wall. Where she say you putting them a fight with the blood clot paint. Where she say your wall look like madman paint a blood clot wall. She say go suck your mother. She say go suck out your dirty mother. Your dirty foot blood clot mother. Your mother would have cracked them pan her blood. But you have to crack up her dry blood clot heel back Shensea. And that you forgot blood clot though. Where you come talk about looks, about funny looking. Funny looking? You not have no look Shensea, you're crooked. Crooked chin Shensea. Crooked blood clot chin Shensea. Shensea remember say you drop out of your mother. Your mother never push you out, you drop out her. I walk, should I walk a halfway through and you drop out. You remember say you drop on your left side and you drop on your right side and it shift to the left side. Crooked blood clot chin. Crooked nose blood clot Shensea. Handicap Shensea. Your loudness couldn't frighten me a blood clot. Wrong girl. Your big mouth and loudness couldn't frighten me a blood clot. You mad? Boy, you mad? I'm here back with a bag, yeah? You mad? No blood clot. Me say me a lay down and me a got praise for you no blood clot, Shenyeng. You're bright and out of order. You come talk about who want your friendship and who never want your friendship. Be a spitting. Me never see nothing but me see that and guess what? You not see another thing. Just like that. On the show up on yourself so me can remove on a quick and easy. Yeah. You're bright and out of order. Which part we there now? Which part we reach again? Dirty Joshua about Sandra. Joshua, your mother hates you. Joshua, your mother would have never call your blood clot phone. I speak to Sandra before I come. Sandra called me after the first live. Sandra called me after the first blood clot live. What you mention Sandra about? What about Sandra? Your mother don't even know you. Your mother know you? Your mother know blood clot you? Shensia, you talk about who they want friendship and who never want a friendship. Shensia, I couldn't want your friendship. Shensia, a long time I just stay far from you. Come hear where you are blood clot talking and talk about, oh, you are the baddest girl in a better body and you are the baddest girl and this, that and the third. Shensia, you have to show me your badness. Me never need you for mash a blood clot grapes. That's one thing for certain and two things for sure. Make New York City tell you. When them afraid of Mystery Lady, it was because of Shensia. When Mystery Lady and Bwoy and make Bwoy come out and pay Bwoy and give Bwoy how much Jordans and sneakers and weed and make Bwoy come kick up Batman, you never did about. You wasn't heard of. Nobody never know blood clot you. Shensia, you couldn't frighten blood clot me. Shensia, me couldn't want your friendship. What me don't want your friendship for? I like me the genuine little blood clot like ya walk a talk, but I look for badness title. Badness title. You make a look a situation where you do with Damien get to your head and think say you're a bad girl. I know me not say you got angle Phoebe them. I know me not say you got angle Phoebe them. Phoebe them doing and bring to come and bring to go back. Pull up on all these things. I know me not say you got angle Phoebe them. So me know what kind of bad you're a bad girl in a seasons. Me not look on blood clot you Shensia. Me couldn't want your friendship. Me couldn't want your friendship. You're bright and out of you call my phone 2 times with this one in loudness. Handicap Batman. Me and your age. Me and you is no size. You're bright, but I want to stop talk to we. Bitch, you call my phone 2 times with your loudness and you couldn't call my phone with them loudness at the 3rd time. Cause me already hear say you walk and talk and tell the people them say you are the baddest blood clot girl and girl. I like you have girl card. I like girl they have afraid of blood clots. You bitch and that was it. At this of the draw, you draw the line and cross it right blood clot this so I call my phone and come carry and like say you're a big bad werewolf. You're a little girl for me. You're a little picnic for blood clot me. Your badness no multiply for me a blood clot. Cause bitch, if what me can do, I pay a man for blood clot. I'm not ask Christ that. You couldn't frighten me a blood clot. You couldn't shake me a blood clot. You're mad after you know winter. You could have make me shake. After you know winter, after you know cool. You couldn't make me shake a blood clot. You're bright and out of it, but you call my phone and make nice. Remember I said the first time you called my phone was to bring down Emily. Remember I said the first time you called my phone was to bring down Emily. And that's why I made it so quick to hang up the phone for you the second time. Because the first time you called my phone, you didn't even explain to me what the issue was. You just call and make nice and make nice. And the whole thing where you don't make nice about is because you know so Emily going to pick up the money and Emily going to come back and spend the money on Beanie Man. And you never want Emily to spend the money on Beanie Man. You want Emily to come at your yard, come spend the money on you and the refugees them in your house. Come make a reason. Shenyan come sit down make a reason. And me and you talk now. Remember I said me like you. Remember I said me reach out to you and tell you to give me your number. Remember I said me reach out to you. So come make we sit down and reason. Make a really talk. Make a reason. Make we clear this blood clot up. Remember, remember I say you call my blood clot phone and you call my phone the second time with a ratatatata and me I ask you what's going on and then I act like say me a mind reader and me a Cleo and me know all the way I go on in the Bronx, New York. And that make me hang up my phone for Uno and me hang up the phone and that was it called Mystery Lady phone and bad up Mystery Lady. You're not a bad girl for blood clot me. Yeah, I'm not a bad girl for blood clot me. When me I do badness up, my boy them I do badness in a group. You're one individual, sweetie. You saw the boy dead the other day down at the gas station. And some of Yankee them come in a packs, them come in a wood packs. Shensia don't wake up this blood clot waking dead. Now wake up that waking dead. I come wake up the boy them at Brooklyn. Me not ask Christ that. May I ask Christ that Emily, you are run up and down with this one ratatata, and this loudness, like to somebody I go afraid of you because of your vulgarness and your one Emily, you see when you don't know what to do, you see when you don't know how to angle your business, Emily, you see all of the energy where you have, it still don't mean nothing because you're going to get laid the fuck down. The same way all Pebbles, you saw you did upon 100 the other night and Pebbles put up on the ground over and over again. Emily, it's the same thing is going to happen. It's the same thing is going to happen. You're just a little boy with a little with one part energy and you have the energy, you need to put the energy in a proper use. You not put the engine in a proper use. Emily only couldn't shake and break me a blood clot. Only couldn't shake and frighten me a blood clot. Only a madman. Only make beer blood clot nice. That's all on good for. Yell, kick, scream and shout. Yell, kick, scream, and blood clot shout. That's all no good for a crooked chin Shensea. Emily with the one ipa chaparita pan her blood clot mouth. Emily make us see the bangles them. Emily make us see the bangles them pan your blood clot teeth. Emily no have no shame. Emily no have no shame. Shame! Me shame! Emily your mother shame of you. You have 21 blood clot years old and you have chaparita in your blood clot mouth. Emily your mother shame of you. I should teach you how to brush your blood clot teeth when your blood clot picnic. And you never brush your rotten blood clot mouth. Emily your mother shame of you. She shame of you no blood clot. For a young blood clot girl, your teeth them a drop out. You have rotten teeth in your blood clot mouth. One thing's for certain, two things for sure. Jamaica have toothbrush and toothpaste. Una some dirty set of body man. Dirty set of body man. Una some weird set of body man. Some drunk or the Bronx drunk or them. Go brush your teeth. You're unhealthy. You're shame. Nasty stinking drunk in a shame. But you mention mother. Your mother shame of you. Shame! She shame a blood clot if you're a young girl. In your body are rotten. You don't want to see the condition of Emily's skin. The condition of Emily's skin. Emily bumpy from her hairline go down. And Emily claims her blood clean. Emily something is in there causing a problem. You have an infection and the infection will bother your blood. Go clean up your blood clot blood, Emily. And that you need to go do. Go clean up your blood. Nasty Joshua. Dirty Joshua. Joshua, you claim saying you have no AIDS and appear AIDS infested boy you fuck. Any boy, all of the boy them we are living with have AIDS. So all when you claim say them not fuck you raw, them a suck the AIDS and a put it through the ick in your body. So Emily, you're full up. Go bed. Go and bathe. Emily go blood clot beard. Dirty stinking rotten Emily. Emily with the Bella's pants. Emily, you talk about girl eat you can every time you get dressed. Every time you dress up. Emily, anybody know me knows I'm a labels whore. I'm a labels whore. When I say get dressed, I say thousands of dollars. Me say y'all go spend 5,000. When them say party I keep a 5 grand me say for blood clot spend. Me say money for blood clot spend. Me not say pretty girl and rainbow. Emily, when me could have bad mind you for, when you a go buy me now buy. Me say cheap dress and expensive bag and blood clot shoes. Cheap dress and expensive bag and blood clot shoes. On wear cheap clothes and fake bag and fake shoes. Emily, what about Uno? Emily, nothing about Uno. It's nothing about Uno. Uno they are fine for how long and it's still nothing about Uno. Uno still not progressing. Uno still not progressing. That one they end up in an apartment, thank God for Asa. Thank God for AIDS. You get a room, thank God for Aliyah. Uno not progressing. Uno not progressing. Every day Uno get up and Uno not doing nothing progressive. Get up and go down at the hormone clinic and go get some hormones. Go and get some hormones. They might give out all free surgery. Go get some free breasts. If Uno not go take up the money and go buy it for Uno self, how Uno have to mind demand them, then go line up and go join the free line. Go join the free line and go get the free breasts them. Since Uno not make enough money for mine, Uno man them and pay for nobody. Go join the free line. Go join the blood clot free line. All that's enough for do. We don't have no shame. We don't have no ambition. Nothing about uno. As long as every day on I lay down, wake up to man. Man we eat to know. Man we eat to know. That's all I look forward to a daytime. For wake up to man we eat to know. The man, the boy them eat and despise you know. And any boy we lay down with uno can't do no better. Can't do no better. Can other girl not tolerate for no fuckery. Uno not have no shame. Uno shame cut off underneath on a foot. And on a foot bottom. Uno 6 stomach and spoil blood clot appetite. 6 stomach and spoil blood clot appetite. Emily, you come talk about man. But man, which man me would have laid down with you that want to touch you? Which man would a lady would that want touch blood clot you? And you come talk about who? Yeah, come over here, sir. You come talk about who? Kylie. You come mention Kylie and come talk about Kylie and who sent for Kylie. When me send for Kylie go where? When me for send for Kylie go where? Kylie couldn't tell you say me send for him go a blood clot place. Kylie couldn't tell you say me send for you go nowhere. A beer story you come up here and come talk. You come call up everybody name for come mix up the blood clot people. My beer like you come up here and come tell upon the people them. Me not look on blood clot you, but man see you and say you shape good. Emily, you shape good and you have on one blood clot. You have on body bag. You have on body bag. Which man I go sit down and tell you say you shape good? Which man I go sit down and tell you say you shape good when you have about 5 layers of blood clot clothes in 100-degree weather? Emily, which man I go tell you say you shape blood clot good? Which part of you stay good? Emily, on a rich, go buy some laser. And at the day hot, go up at the laser place, laser cheap, go laser this Emily. Go laser your face. On a wicked, on a top, but on no one got laser place, can no want the laser for burn up on the skin. Every girl you have to get burn up. On a some nasty body man, on a don't want to trust the process. On no one go through the process because on a some dirty body man. On a talk about what hurt, now want to hurt, you know. When the man them a put the bust up the AIDS and on the body hole, it not hurt, you know. When them a bust up the run, so now no mouth them, it not blood clot hurt, you know. When I talk about laser blood clot hurt, go do the laser cheap and then they need it. And they need it to that man in America. Every girl come America and live them American dream, but every girl come America and live them American dream, but Emily, girl wear G-string, we wear panties. We're gonna have Victoria's Secret and we're gonna buy pink panties. We'll buy G-string. Emily, I wear fruit of the loom boxers. Emily, no shame. Emily, me shame for no. Me shame for no. Me could have want phone a friendship and phone a company. I only claim so now woman now wear fruit of the loom boxers. Emily, una got dance as woman and una have boxers. Una no shame a kill no. Shame a kill no dirty blood clot. Shenyang. Bright no blood clot. Batimania me. Not something else. Just a me, they're gonna frighten her afraid that voodoo. Yeah, I hear that, yeah. I hear that one, yeah. Hear that one, yeah. That's all she good for. That's all she good for. That's all she good for. Shenyang, you can't frighten me. You can't frighten me, Shenyang. You can't frighten me. You made the 100 life for you. Made the 100 life for blood clot, you Shensea. And you have to show me that badness there. You have to go take the anger there and take it up and blood clot me. Shensea, you have to show me say you're a mad blood clot, girl. Shensea, you have to show me say you're better than me. Shensea, you have the ambition. Shensea, you get the AIDS apartment and you go get the free AIDS. And Shensea, you get the free AIDS apartment and you live on the free AIDS bed. Shensea, the free AIDS bed you have. Shensea, come show up your AIDS dirty blood clot apartment. Shensea, you have who not fuck who. Shensea, everybody have fuck Shana and Batty wall. Shensea, Shana woman from long blood clot time. Shensea, Shana come out and pussy. The boy them love when Shan come out and put upon them blood clot cocky. Shensea, you have to beat me. Yeah, come carry her like say your body you're louder than nobody else and nobody's supposed to afraid of your blood clot loudness. You vulgar than nobody else. Bitch, you take me for afraid of blood clot, you. You think me could have afraid of blood? Mr. Batman, you have to kill me before me leave New York. But now I leave New York until you kill me. You're bright and stinker out harder. You think that me I'm afraid of you and your loudness? Your loudness couldn't frighten me of blood clot. And me and the loudest girl in New York for years. But you think me could have frightened afraid of blood clot, you? AIDS infested Shensea. Worthless blood clot, no ambition blood clot, Shensea. Shensea was sit down and go, Shensea was spend 100,000 for furniture. And as danger say, hey, to blood clot, Shensea. Shensea run down the furniture store and go pick up every blood clot dollar. Shensea, you know, no shame. Crooked chin blood clot, Shensea, you know, no blood clot, shame. Crooked chin, Shensea. Nothing but uno. Nothing but blood clot, oh no. You don't have no shame. You should have shame to take the free blood clot furniture. You should have shame to take the free furniture. You get free house and you're going to pick up free blood clot furniture. On no shame. The little piece of board bed. The board bed good. The little piece of board bed it could have dip on the ground over there now. It could have dip on the ground over blood clot there. Shensia come and see the furniture. Shensia come and see the Asa furniture them. The couch smell like down a halfway tree. The couch smell like down a halfway tree. The couch them out there in the living room smell like shit. Emily armpit and blood clot and fresh them stinking foot. Emily, who ya Shensia, who ya come blood clot make up nice pan. You think so that you're like afraid that you and your blood clot dirty mouth? Your stinking mouth, your mouth were rotten. Your mouth want to find one blood clot doctor. Shensia doctor when a dentist not going to your rotten mouth from our blood clot long. Shensia doctor when not going to your mouth from our blood clot long. You think so you're going to frighten for your dirty mouth? He anti-batty boy. Only thing I could have afraid of for you bite me. And that's the only thing we could have afraid of is for you blood clot bat with that rotten mouth there. That rotten blood clot mouth there. You're bright and outside there. Like I said, you're like a frightened and afraid of you and your loud, your bag of loudness. Your loudness couldn't frighten nobody, boo. Wrong bitch. Wrong bitch.
We'll go back in that time, we'll go back in our history. Remember what happened. Tina it over your house and something. Every man fucking a man in 18 of blood clot. Every man ate a strong looking watermelon blood clot breast.
Every man ate me, Emily, and all of the boy them. Emily, remember, say the boy them, I don't fuck you. Emily, no boy now, I don't fuck me a blood clot. Emily, any boy will fuck me, them walking on the streets with blood clot me. Emily, remember, say the boy them will put icky on your neck now, come show them face. Emily, tell the boy them will icky on your neck, tell them to come show them blood clot face, Emily. Dirty Emily and no blood clot shame. You're the only girl throw cocky partner 12 months of the blood clot here, you're not getting no draw. Shensia, every week you throw partner, I know you're not get your draw. Shensia, you not get the first draw, you not get the second draw, you not get the third draw, you not get the last draw, you not get no draw. No draw. Shens, Emily, you talk about who ate who. Your mind be the man for how much months? Your mind be the man for how much months and be the man never like you. Be the man hate and despise you. Right through why you and be the man blood clot, the be the man, me and be the man a chat. Right through why your mind blood clot, be the man, me and be the man a chat. Girl no boy no blood clot wanted. Emily go suck your mother. Come Emily, come up and sit on our reason now. Come make us sit on our reason. Me did tell her from day one, so when me did tell her that Beanie Man was blood clot, man, me did tell her that me never come blow it down. Me da wait for come blow down the house. Emily, you have to mind blood clot him. You did have to mind blood clot him. While him sit down and chat to me, see him blood clot we. Emily no mind man with 800 no blood clot. Emily no doormat man use and abuse on a blood clot. Emily nothing to no blood clot. Beanie Man despise you. Beanie Man despise you from day one. Beanie Man hates you. Beanie Man knows that you are the germs. Make the good people them don't want to deal with him. Or because I'm gonna mix with the germs like you. Make the good girl them like me and the good people them don't want to touch him. The boy despise you. You salt him up. I am a Elsha Beach. You come salt up the boy life. You make the people them afraid of the boy, afraid to touch the boy. Dirty Emily. Yeah, come talk about Wishman. Wishman ate me. Wishman ate me. Wishman me entertain where you know a blood clot. But boy, I gotta come tell you some me, them ate me. Wishman me entertain where entertain you. Wishman where me entertain you. Come talk to blood clot me. Come tell me about it. I don't want to know. But man eat. Which man for blood clot eat? Man eat uno and you and the man use uno. Man eat uno and I put roof over the man them head and the man them eat uno. Someone know how it really blood clot go. Me not house no man, me not mind no man. Bright and out of order. Bright and out of order. Dirty batty man. On shame. Shame a kill no crooked blood clutching Shensea. Emily with the one if a chopper with them in her mouth. Emily, your mouth full of gold chain. Your mouth full of bangle. Your mouth full of bangle. Emily at 2023 in her walk around like in a 1996 with all this chopperita and gold chain and silver chain. All silver chain in her mouth. Emily, you don't have no shame. Emily, you want to come cuss me and my money you use by the silver chain and put in your mouth. Emily, you're wicked from a long time. A long time I despise you. Because a long time I have love in my heart and you show me say you're a wicked batty man. I get up and I tell my friend them say come help me pay for your plane ticket for you come to America. And you sit down and you take your money and you mind man. You send man all wait name there. What can I say? You must send him all what is that name? Credit. You may even know say you could have give y'all credit and them take it and send it to other people. Emily, you're wicked from a long time. That's why you're not going to prosper in America. Because your heart black. You're one wicked black-hearted batty man. Aliyah put you in one house and you get up and you cuss. Aliyah your class. Aliyah you do all of the most. Aliyah. Me sit down and get up and make my friend them help me. And say, yeah, come and put together and pay for Emily. And help Emily come to America. And Emily sit down and take her money and name out her money and mine, man. And the waiting there. And Gary's. What is I go them say the some G something name, some G man name, in a program make Tina and Emily come through the border program, and Emily still on Jamaica and name up her money and carry on like say we wait name there. Emily, you come talk about how we have to pay for your friendship. Pay for which friendship? Emily, you was a cussing girl that cuss before with the even blood clot know you. Emily, anybody know mystery lady? Them know say that girl are not afraid of nobody. Them know say that girl are not afraid of nobody. I'm not back from nobody. I'm not back from no fight. I'm not back from no arguments. Everybody know that. So me couldn't need you for come argue for me. Me couldn't need you for come fight no battle for me. Girl, Russia still not defeat Ukraine yet. So me don't know which fight you dare fight for me. Which war me make you come fight for me? Which war me that buy out? Which war me that pay you for come fight for me? And that me wanna know the Emily. Wanna which war me pay you for come fight? Which war me pay you for come fight? Cause Russia still not defeat Ukraine yet. So I want back my money. I want a refund. I want a blood clot refund. Cause since me pay you for a fight blood clot war and the war still left on blood clot hole. I want back my money. I want back my money. Emily, you're blood clot wicked. A long time you're blood clot wicked. You sit down with your friend and you when you know say your friend I go shoot with her man. You sit down and you cock up on your friend man yard. You cock up and go fuck your dirty man friend. Your friend man. Emily, you're dirty people. Emily, you're dirty people. That's why you couldn't come to Atlanta to my house. You couldn't come to Atlanta come to my nice, clean 2-bedroom apartment. You're mad? You're germs. You're germs. And you claim say Shensea, you're bestie and you're bestie this. And you are big one in a how much cocky argument. You are big one in a how much cocky argument. Me and my bestie now share, man. Too much man in America. The world is big. The world is big. Me and my friend them name now call on the same man. Una shame. Una no shame. Shame a kill uno. Una dirty people. Dirty people. To know them I say all Shana fuck you. Girl, you can't go find other people for fucking out just a fuck after a dead friend them. Una not have no shame. No fuck can't call on for me and my friend them. My friend them man can't look for me and me not a blood clot. My friend them man can't come call on my pussy name. Can't come talk about my pussy. Them can't come talk about my mouth. Them don't know what my mouth feel like. Them don't know what my hand feel like. Them don't know what my body will feel like. And a friendship that when I come talk about friendship and how bestie this and bestie that and bestie this and bestie that. Emily, come talk serious. Emily, let's be for real. Emily, let's be for real. Remember say we and me there for beg you for like pebbles. Remember say 8 pebbles. Emily, come sit down and make a reason. Remember say 8 pebbles. Remember say they want to kill Pebbles and go to prison. Remember say Pebbles bully you and box you up on White Plains Road. Remember say Pebbles box you up on White Plains Road. And Pebbles box you up how much blood clot time on White Plains Road. And you couldn't do nothing about it. You couldn't do nothing about it. Emily, you want to come like me? Emily, you want to come like me? Me when you sit down and buy plane ticket for you come here? And you think so you're going to like me? Me say me I take the first lick. Your Honor, me take the first blood clot lick and me kill it. What you gonna do about that? Send me where you have to send me. I straight to me I make the blood clot. You're on a blood clot no. You're bright and out of order. You're bright and out of order. Pebbles will punk up your blood clot. Box you up like little picnic. Box you up like a trash from blood clot roadside. You're bright and out of order. And you think so you have strength for me? Shensea